Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you an easy photo manipulation trick that you can try at home, like this. So it will look like this man is coming out from the screen. All the photos that I'll be using in this video are from Unsplash. If you want to download it and follow along with me from the start, just go to the description and click on the link to download the photo. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. So first, import all the photos that we're going to use. Then I'm going to remove the background of this photo using freehand selection tool and move the font with the hand to this photo. Click on this lock icon right here and select the object. Okay, after you have done, I'm just going to mask the layer so I can always bring back the background if I want. Don't forget this part as well. Then move this layer here. And then align it on the middle of this photo. Then remove the photo on the screen as well. So just click on the mask layer and use freehand selection tool to select the screen. After that, press delete and duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then resize it to fit the screen. Okay, I think it's good. And then for the font photo, make sure you remove the edges of the photo because we can still see some of the background edges left. So make sure you remove it. And then select the photo on the screen, this one. And use freehand selection tool to select the man because we're going to remove it. So go to edit and in pen to remove it. After that, click on the background layer and duplicate it one more time. Put it on top of the font layer, like here. And this time we're going to remove the background of this photo. So select the object. After you have done, mask this layer to remove the background. Don't forget this part as well. Then align it, the man on top on the screen, like this. I'm going to move the font to the left. Okay, and because this area is off the screen, so I'm going to remove it as well. And then we're going to blur the background, so click on the background layer and go to layer, new light filter layer, blur, and Gaussian blur. I apply light filter so that I can always change the value if I want. Then set the radius to around 6 pixels. Okay, and it's done. Then this is optional. I'm going to click on the background layer and go to develop persona to do some of the adjustments. Okay, and oh yeah, and one last step, I forgot to apply shadow on the man. So we're going to make a shadow, create a new layer below the object layer, and you can use brush tool to make a shadow like this. And reduce the opacity to around 25%, and it's done. Okay, so this is the final result. As you can see now, it looks like this man is coming out from the phone. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.